Good morning and happy 2024. This will be the first vlog I make in video this year. I've been kind of feeling lazy and honestly a little bit unmotivated to make videos, like even makeup videos and all that. So I thought this would be a good introduction to making videos again. So we're gonna do, as you already saw by the title, day in the life. It is Tuesday. We're working. Francisco's also working now, so we are getting our day started. We already went for a walk and started working, and we're making ourselves breakfast now. So we went to New York in December, and we kind of fell in love with Lox bagels, but it's hard to find like New York style Lox. Like the ones we find here are from like Costco, and it just doesn't taste exactly the same. It could just be that we're making it different. Obviously everything's different. Like the cream cheese is different, the salmon is different, the bagels are different, but we are trying to get as close as possible. For the cream cheese, this is my favorite one. I buy it at Sprouts. So it's Greek yogurt cream cheese. I can't find this anywhere else. I don't know if it's like exclusive to Sprouts or what it is, but it's whipped, which makes it super easy to spread, and it's supposed to have more protein, 3 times the proteins, half the fat of like regular cream cheese. So anytime I go to Sprouts, I like stocking up on that. And then I got just the Costco salmon, and I have it chopped up because we tried it yesterday in slices and it was just too thick and I just didn't like it. Then I'm gonna add some micro arugula, and then we have sesame bagels that I just got done toasting. So let's go ahead and build that. For my latte, I have some milk warmed up in here. It's not almond milk. How cute is this new mug I got from Target there for the Valentine's collection? This says love you more, and then we have the other one that says love you. So cute. So typically what I do is I just add some matcha, which you probably have seen before if you watched any of my other videos. This is my favorite matcha, the Jade leaf. I like their treehouse edition and their barista. They're both really good. And then in here, we have some of the Flavcity protein powder. That is Francisco that has a terrible cough, and it does not want to leave his body. And this is the vanilla flavor. So I like doing this with matcha because it already has like the sweetener, protein, collagen, basically everything that I want. And I mix it with my frother. Okay, so that's gonna be my breakfast for today. Every day looks different. It really depends on what I'm in the mood for, how hungry I am. Some days I just have my milk with protein. Sometimes I add some toast. So for today, it's the salmon cream cheese bagel and a matcha latte. Okay, well, I'm about to pass out because Francisco had training and it went over. And it's now 2 o'clock and we're barely gonna have lunch. But that is okay because that's just what happens sometimes, you know? I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make. We ate this similar. Did we eat it with pesto yesterday? I don't think. Did it have pesto? Yeah. So we ate the same thing yesterday and it was very yummy. So we're gonna repeat it today. And it's a super easy, quick lunch in case you guys are looking for ideas. Basically, all it is these Atorias flatbread. It's the whole grain and flax ones. It comes with 5 of them. We bought them at Sprouts. And I've seen them before, but I just never really was too interested in it because I didn't know what to do with them. But these are the ingredients right here. It's pretty clean. It does have sugar, but it's less than 1 gram, which is great. They're 100 calories per sheet. I think we could each eat a sheet each, but we just don't do that because we make them into a pizza kind of situation. So I toasted this in our air fryer, and now it's basically like a hard cracker. And then we added some pesto. This is my favorite pesto, the Gotham Greens Classic Pesto. I buy this at Whole Foods. I'm gonna add some cheese. And then I'm gonna add this turkey breast roasted chicken thing that we really like from Whole Foods. It's their brand. Like they slice it in the moment that you buy it. And it tastes literally like just regular roasted chicken. So we buy this weekly. And we'll eat it in sandwiches most of the time. And now we're having them with this wrap pita cracker thing. And it's great. And there you have it. That's gonna be our lunch. Nice and simple, light, yummy, all the things. All right, finally off of work. And I'm gonna have a little snack. Not really like a big snack because I feel like we ate kind of late, so I'm not really hungry. But wanted to show you guys these. So these are not new. I've had these before, but I just recently realized that there are so many flavors of these. We've gotten an advent calendar from Italy. I think it was Italy. And we were opening it during the Christmas time. So we got to try like a few different flavors. And that kind of got me thinking that there's other flavors. So this was one of my favorites when we were opening the advent calendar. So I went back to Italy. No, where did I buy this? I think I bought this one at Whole Foods. And so we've been eating this one. I have 2 bags of this one. But then when we went to Italy, we saw that it had like a giant wall filled with different flavors. And I got the raspberry yogurt, which my sister kept because I didn't like it that much. And then got this one, which is the espresso flavor. So good. One thing that I like about this brand is that it's made with like, they're not healthy for you, but they're made better than other crackers. So they don't use any artificial flavoring, no added colors, no preservatives. So their stuff, it's cleaner than other cookies, and the taste is just so good. And they're actually made with like the flavor that you're having, which makes them taste so much more delicious. So I'm gonna have a few little squares of this, and then we're doing this challenge, this workout challenge. That's Heather Robertson, and it's every day for 12 weeks. And then you have like 2 days off on the weekend. We're barely on day 2 today. So wish us luck. I'll link below the challenge. She posted it all on her YouTube. It's all free, but it's pretty cool because you get to work out different things throughout the week. So if your arms are sore, you're not going to do that tomorrow. You'll work out legs. So yesterday we did arms, and then today's going to be glutes and something else. All right, well, that workout kicked my butt. I have noodle legs now, but I need to get started on dinner. We're running a little late, so I'm gonna have to do this as quickly as possible. But let me show you guys what the recipe calls for. I'll go ahead and link it below too. I've tried this recipe before. It's delicious. It's my favorite one, and it's bulletproof. It's not even like hard to do, nothing, and you just need a few ingredients. Let me show you guys. All right, so I have some of the ingredients here. So it calls for all these spices. It has oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper. It's gonna be, I'm gonna double it because I want it to last 2 days, but it calls for 1 enchilada sauce container, or you can make your own. It teaches you how to do it. I usually just buy this one, but they were out, and this one's pretty good too, so I'm just gonna mix the two and use that. And then I'm supposed to be using 1 can of refried beans and 1 of black beans per portion, but I don't have refried beans, so I'm just gonna use these, which end up tasting the same, and I'll just mash them up, and then I'll add those beans, because I mean, I don't want to have that many beans anyway. And then on this side, I have the tortillas, which are going to be the Siete almond tortillas. These are our favorite, alongside with the actual Whole Food brands. Those are a little bit better, but these are cheaper, so I'm going to use that. We have some shredded cheese, ground beef, 2 pounds. We have an onion and some garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and get started so that hopefully it doesn't take very long. We are changing plans because these enchiladas are taking way too long. So instead, we're just gonna have a bunch of frozen stuff. I'm gonna make some of this, which is from, it's basically gonna be a Costco dinner because this is from Costco, and it comes with bell peppers, broccoli, what else, and zucchini. So I'm gonna heat that up, and then it's just something to tell you. And I have this going in the microwave, and then we toss it. You're gonna toss it in the saute pan, and it's basically barbecue sauce or barbecue. And then this was a 2-pack, but I already used one, and I might as well use the other one because it's actually going to expire in like 10 days or something like that, or 15 days. So I guess it's a good time to use it. Gonna throw this in the microwave as well, and then we'll have dinner served. we are gonna go on a somewhat of a mission, somewhat not of a mission. We want to go to TJ Maxx, mostly me, because since we're gonna be doing workouts at home, now we don't have carpet floors, so the wooden floors are very hard, and we only have one good yoga mat, and my sister is letting me use the ones that she has, but hers is pretty thin, so it's killing my joints, my almost 35-year-old joints. For $3? Wow, that's good.
They're getting dyed with
The beard stuff?
yeah.
And then I'm gonna take one of those for tissues because duh. I think it's kind of cute right here. Let me see if I can grab it. It's supposed to be a glass board that you write on. Do you think we would use it?
To be honest, no.
Oh, well, look, to-do list one. I'm gonna buy the new recipe book from Alice Snodgrass. I think it's, I read online that they're all like percentage off, but I'm not entirely sure. And then we got some medicine. It's probably not like the cleanest, but hopefully it just does the job. Tape. And then this stuff too. This stuff is really good for when you have an itchy throat. Just spray it on your throat. Miracle worker. And it's actually really clean ingredients. So I think we're ready to go. All right, so I think I'm gonna end today's day in the life here. We're probably just gonna relax. I mean, it's already 10:40 and probably get ready for bed soon. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so. And that's gonna be it for this video. I think I forgot to mention also about Vlogmas. I fell off. I stopped Vlogmas like midway. I don't know what happened. I just lost motivation after New York, and it was just hard to get back into it. So, you know, life happens, and we're back now. So hopefully you guys are excited for 2024. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would want to see from me, and hopefully the next one will be maybe I make a video or something like that. We'll see. But that's going to be it for today's video. See you guys on my next one. Bye.